What's going on, everybody? Today in this video I'm going to show you how I paint a custom gas tank and fender set. Make sure you wipe these parts down before you sand them down, because these parts usually have oil on them so they don't rust sitting on the shelf. Pay attention to the underside too and all the little corners. Don't want to have any oil seeping out. Yeah, it's a pretty rough tank. Yeah, a lot of people will go ahead and just put bodywork over bare metal, but I learned a different way. Just watch out with the DA, don't get too close to the edge, you'll cut right through it. Just avoid the edges and hit that with some gray Scotch-Brite and smooth it out. When you're doing a stripe, make sure you always do the lightest color first and go darker. I went ahead and put a coat of clear on to kind of bury that stripe edge. Sand it down, it's nice and smooth, so when I put the Mercedes logo on, that one right there, the paint goes on smooth on top of it. If I didn't do that, I would have a real sharp little line right in between the middle of the logo from the other stripe. When I go ahead and put a logo on one side, I got to measure out the other side. So I'm laying tape down here and using the body of the gas tank as landmarks to figure out where everything goes. Flip it over to the other side and get a basic rough idea of where it goes. After I measure it up, I kind of get an eyeball test, look at it from both sides to make sure it's pretty much close. Right here, went ahead and didn't really line it up too well, so you can see a little lighter spot there. Just going to take a little bit of black and just kind of dust it in there. Just like before, be very careful on the edges. You cut through now, you're going to spend a half a day fixing it. Well, there you have it. One more job done. If you like what you see here, subscribe to my page. Like the stuff. Tell your friends. Tell your dog, your cat, whoever wants to listen to you. Have a good day.